Here's a good sign, right? When you get a Vosteed knife and it comes in a plastic orange case like this one, you know you are in for a treat, right? These, of course, are the most high premium knives from Vosteed. And without further ado, bam, right? There is the knife. I'm excited for that. We have some goodies here. We got a sticker, we got a wiping cloth, we have a support card, some silica gel, and what in the world is in here? Let's find out. Vosteed little tiny pouch here. Okay, that is a pocket clip. Nope, it is not. It is actually a mini pry bar. That's actually very cute. I mean, it's actually like some borderline. Look how tiny this is. Okay, it is on Van X steel. Let's go 5X here so we can do it justice. Check this out. Van X steel, which might be foreshadowing to the type of steel we have on the actual knife here. We'll check that out in a second. But nice little keychain style pry bar. That is nice. Or flathead screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. That's absolutely pretty neat. And I'm going to go ahead and add this to my keychain like ASAP. Well, here we go. Let's check out the knife here, guys. This one's called the Xeno. Xeno is the name on this one. And holy macaroni, guys. For starters, this color combo is sweet. It is available on many different color combos. I'll put some pictures here on the video so you guys can check it out. It's available, again, many different variants to choose from. Some of them are going to sell out right away. But let's kind of break it down a little bit. We have titanium here on the odd side. This one is sort of like this purple tie with the steel gold looking color here on the V anchor lock. So in case you don't know, purple and yellow are complementary colors, right? Think of the LA Lakers. So purple and gold right there, or yellow, go hand in hand. There are some, all gray versions, gray and blue. And so there's even a blacked out version with, I believe, maybe DLC on the blade. So that's pretty sweet. There is the pocket clip on the other side. Doesn't seem to be reversible. Again, more of a show knife that you probably don't want to mess up the design on the show side for righties. I'm not sure if they make a lefty version, but even the screws are on the inside so that you don't have to see screws from the outside, right? That's the attention to detail. And we can even see that here also on the show side. These screws go all the way through. What I'm guessing is they go all the way through, and that way you don't see hardware on the show side. They did the same thing here on the Thunderbeast recently. That's the first time I see Vosteed doing that. By the looks of it, it looks like they may be sticking with that here for the time being. Right now, seeing another model implement that design as well. We do have a lanyard solution or hole on the Thunderbeast. No lanyard solution or hole anywhere on the Xeno. But we have an opening hole here, pill-shaped opening hole. And if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Again, rocking the V anchor lock. And wham, right? There is the blade. This is crazy. Holy macaroni. What are we working with here, ladies and gentlemen? We're looking at, I want to say sheep's foot blade, right? We're going to go with that. Reverse tanto blade. But it's not a straight line, right? It's got a line here and a line there. So that's interesting as it is. Check that out. It's going to be a flat grind with a satin finish on this one. Again, multiple different finishes are available. And with Van X, you are getting a very corrosion resistant steel, right? One of the top corrosion resistant steels you can possibly get on a knife. Vosteed sent me a picture. They did some testing of this steel blade on, compared to some other steels on some other of their own knives. And I think over time, I'll put it on the screen how long the test was and all the details. But you can see this one is pristine, no rust of any kind. And some of the other steels were starting to get some rust build on them. But yeah, it's interesting to see how this one held up over time, being so corrosion resistant. Let's check out the disengagement here. Nice and easy to push down on it. There it is on the close and the open. Loving the acoustics. Listen to the close. Well, that's like a tick and then a talk. Listen to that. All right, I'm absolutely loving the acoustics so far. Not to mention, I mean, it is going to be very fidget friendly. The pivot lock is nice and smooth. Also very, very strong, right? You have a multiple contact little bar, like smack in the middle, right? Kind of holding the knife on the open position. That is robust, rock solid, not moving anywhere. The housing or little crown here around the V anchor lock is protecting it so that you don't accidentally push the button or what have you. You have to be very intentional with very specific pressure on that very specific spot. just to be able to disengage the knife. So of course you can deploy off of the V anchor lock. You also have the pill-shaped hole so you can spidey flick, thumb deploy. And of course the ergos are going to be pretty solid. Again, hammer grip here with my average size hands. I'm able to get a full purchase, and I can also forward choke a tad bit. Doesn't have the most dedicated finger choil in the world by any stretch of the imagination, but you can make it work and forward choke a little bit closer to the blade there if you wanted to get more control of the cut, which is very interesting there, to say the least. Now, hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.